Understanding throw shade on, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, throw shade on. This phrase is widely used in casual conversation, and understanding it can really enhance your English language skills. So, let's dive in and shed some light on what it means to throw shade on someone or something. The phrase, throw shade, originated in the African American and LGBTQ+ communities, especially within the drag culture. It gained wider popularity through media and music. To throw shade means to express contempt or disrespect for someone, but it's often done in a subtle or indirect way. It's not as aggressive as openly insulting someone, but it's certainly not a compliment either. Using throw shade correctly in a sentence can be a bit tricky since it's idiomatic. Here are some examples. I think she was throwing shade at me when she said my project was interesting. He's always throwing shade on other people's ideas during meetings. Notice how the phrase can be used both as throwing shade and throwing shade on. The preposition on is often added when the object, person or thing being disrespected is mentioned. It's important to understand the cultural context of this phrase. While it's become popular in everyday language, remember that it has roots in specific communities. Using throw shade can make your language sound more modern and culturally aware, but be careful not to use it in formal or sensitive situations. A common mistake is confusing throw shade with simply criticizing someone. The key difference is subtlety and indirectness. Throwing shade is often about implying contempt, not stating it outright. Also, it's typically used in a lighter, sometimes humorous context, and not meant to be deeply hurtful. I hope this video has helped clarify what it means to throw shade on someone or something. It's a colorful phrase that adds a layer of nuance to expressing disapproval or contempt. Remember to use it appropriately and understand its cultural significance. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.